First, we have 21s. For the first 7 reps, I want you to go from the bottom of the movement to the halfway point, which is like under your chest. For the next 7 reps, I would like for you to go from the halfway point all the way up to your shoulder level and then bring it back down. Then for the final 7 reps, I want you to start all the way from the bottom to bring it all the way up to your shoulder level for a full bicep curl.
It's just different.
Also incorporated the 1-gallon jugs for those who didn't have dumbbells. So each jug is about 8 pounds, but you can also put more jugs in your hand and pretty much make the weight a little heavier. It's just whatever you feel comfortable with. Next, we have dips. Position your hands so that your palms are beside your hips. Lower your body, hinge at the elbows until each form a 90-degree angle. Then push up to your starting position where your arms are fully extended. Next is lunge 1-arm curl. First, you want to get into a lunge position. Use the opposite arm to support the back of the elbow. Then do a full bicep curl. Next, we have kickbacks. Bend forward slightly at the waist so your torso is almost parallel to the floor. Engage your core, keep your head up, neck, and spine in one line. Engage your triceps as you slowly extend your arm back as far as you can, keeping your arm tight by your side at all times. crossbody curls. While standing holding 2 dumbbells by your side, I want you to take one dumbbell, curl it up to the right shoulder, take the other one, curl it to the left shoulder. Standing tricep press. Starting off, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping your back straight. Hold the dumbbell with both hands with your palms facing up. Raise the dumbbell over your head and slowly lower the dumbbell in an arch behind your head. Then slowly raise the dumbbell back up to the starting position.
I'm sorry.
Yo, what's up everybody? If you made it this far in the video, I want to take the time and say I really appreciate it. If you'd like to see more, like, comment, and subscribe, and leave any suggestions of what you'd like to see. Thank you and have a blessed day.
In my songs, am I wrong?